You might not realize it, but millionaires are everywhere. They're not just the people driving flashy cars or living in giant mansions. They could be your neighbor, your coworker, or even the person in front of you at the grocery store. In today's video, we'll break down what it really means to be a millionaire and how many people have actually reached this status. And if you're not a millionaire yet, or you're still working towards your financial goals, don't worry. Stick around because by the end, we'll share some simple but powerful steps to help you start building wealth and growing your money over time. The term millionaire refers to anyone whose net worth equals or exceeds $1 million. But most millionaires aren't just sitting at the 1 million mark. The average US millionaire actually has a net worth of around 2.2 million, meaning that a lot of them are well past this entry point. But how many millionaires are actually out there? According to recent studies, there are over 22 million millionaires in the United States alone, which is more than the entire population of Texas. With roughly 9% of adults reaching this major milestone, which means that about 1 in 10 people that you come in contact with could be a millionaire. There are a few factors fueling this millionaire boom. Stock market growth. Those who consistently invest, especially in retirement accounts, have seen their wealth grow exponentially over time. Real estate boom. Home values have skyrocketed over the years, significantly boosting net worth for long-term homeowners. And tech and business growth. Many entrepreneurs and tech professionals have built wealth through startups and stock options. While it might feel like becoming a millionaire is an impossible dream, these numbers prove that plenty of everyday people are achieving it, often without flashy lifestyles. If you're picturing a millionaire in a tailored suit stepping out of a sports car, think again. Most millionaires live low-key, everyday lives. They drive practical cars. Instead of brand new luxury vehicles, many millionaires opt for reliable, fuel-efficient cars, sometimes driving them for decades or more. They shop smart. Rather than blowing cash on designer labels, they often choose quality over hype, favoring well-made but unbranded clothing. And they don't flaunt their wealth. While social media is filled with influencers flashing cash, real millionaires tend to keep their success private. It turns out that quiet wealth is far more common than loud luxury. Here's another thing that might surprise you. Most millionaires are self-made. They didn't inherit massive fortunes or hit the jackpot. They built their wealth through steady, disciplined habits. The Federal Reserve found that the typical millionaire is around 61 years old, meaning wealth accumulation is often a slow and steady process. The key ingredients? Consistent investing. Whether it's in the stock market, real estate, or small businesses, they put their money into assets that grow over time. Avoiding consumer debt. Instead of racking up credit card bills on impulse buys, they focus on spending wisely. And smart home ownership. Real estate has been a massive wealth builder for many, with homeowners' net worth averaging 38 times higher than renters. The path to millionaire status isn't about making one giant leap. It's about stacking small, smart financial decisions year after year. Reaching $1 million in net worth doesn't happen overnight. Sure, some people make it big in their 20s or 30s, but for most, it's a decades-long journey. That's why the first million is often the hardest to achieve. It requires patience. Wealth compounds over time, but only if you stay consistent. Discipline, avoiding lifestyle inflation and unnecessary spending makes all the difference. And long-term perspective. Instead of chasing quick wins, millionaires focus on steady, sustainable growth. Many people assume millionaires are born into money, but research from Ramsey's Solutions proves otherwise. Only 21% of millionaires received any inheritance at all. Just 3% inherited $1 million or more, and 1/3 never made six figures in a single working year. In other words, most millionaires built their wealth themselves through strategic savings, investing, and smart financial choices. So if you're serious about joining the Millionaire Club, here's where to start. 1. Maximize your retirement accounts. Take full advantage of 401k and IRA contributions, especially if your employer offers a match, because it's basically free money. 2. Invest consistently. Whether it's index funds, real estate, or a side business, put your money into assets that grow over time. 3. Own a home if it makes sense. While renting can be smart in some cases, home ownership is still a powerful wealth-building tool. 4. Eliminate consumer debt. Credit card debt and car loans can be massive wealth killers, so avoid them as much as possible. And 5. Be patient. The biggest secret to wealth isn't a secret at all. Time and discipline make all of the difference. While being a millionaire doesn't carry the same shock value it once did, it's still a major financial milestone that provides freedom and stability. And if nearly 1 in 10 people have reached it, there's no reason that you can't get there too. By making smart financial choices today, you'll be setting yourself up for long-term success, maybe even faster than you think. If you found this video helpful, then give it a like and don't forget to comment and subscribe. And if you want to learn about the shocking average retirement income amounts, then check out this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.